We are on our way to Zinal. We have about 17 kilometers and not nearly as much elevation as we had yesterday. I think maybe 600 meters or something like that. Yesterday was pretty difficult. The last 2 kilometers was a pretty steep incline. I think we had to gain about 500 meters in elevation over those 2 kilometers, and it started to rain and it hailed a little bit, so it was a pretty difficult slog to the cabin, even though it was only 11 kilometers. And we had the option of taking a chairlift down into Zinal if we so choose. The cabane was pretty nice. It looks like it was recently renovated. We were in a 4-person dorm room with another couple, and yeah, dinner was good, breakfast was good. Hopefully we have a good weather day again today. The skies look blue, so far it's looking pretty good, and we will see you in Zinal. The drone took off and we're trying to get it back. It's too far away for us to connect, although I can hear it now. So, oh, there it is. Okay, there it is. Oh, maybe Nathan's flying it. You piece of I hate you. Bad drone. It's a bad drone. We are about 8 kilometers in. We have another 6 or 7 to go. We are at the bottom of our big climb. So we're gonna go to the top of that pass. We have about 400 meters of elevation to gain in this little jaunt up to the pass there. We have been hiking for about 4 hours. When we get to the top, we'll decide if we're going to walk down, which will be about maybe 3 or 4 kilometers straight down into the town of Zinal, or we might take the chairlift and save our knees a bit, but we'll decide when we get there. We made it to the top. I think where we are right now is called Col de Sorebois. Could be wrong though. Pretty steep final kilometer. And this cable car over here looks far too tempting to pass up. So we're gonna take the cable car down into Zinal, save our knees on the way down, and get us in good shape for maybe 18 or maybe 20 kilometers tomorrow. This cable car called the Space Weisshorn. So we're gonna have a snack, hang out for a bit, and then head down into Zinal. We are 5.5 hours and about 11 kilometers into today, and that's probably where we're gonna end this thing.